So this is the finished product. As you can see, it's back to as white as it could be again. It's the door all cleaned out. This don't come out. It's that. So we went from yellow to white. There we go. Oops. So got a little some over there. You can just take this and wipe this off. All right, that's just a little bit of soap. All right. Okay. Now this, we couldn't get it all the way out, but we could get the doors on the side. So that is great. And that's it for this. All right. We hope you enjoy our work. Oh, let me show you this part. So the first where we started from, and the sides. See here. I think there's some dirt over here that's causing that. All right, so we had that before, but that's it. So good on both sides. Good to go. Voila.